Once upon a time, in the vibrant town of Sunnyvale, there was a group of friends who loved to play together at the colorful playground. The group included Sam, a thoughtful lion cub with a big heart, Ellie, a cheerful elephant with an excellent memory, and Ruby, a clever rabbit who was always full of ideas. They loved their little adventures, which were mostly filled with laughter and fun. However, like any group of friends, they sometimes had conflicts. One sunny afternoon, as they were playing on the swings, a little disagreement erupted. Ruby wanted to continue their game of tag, while Ellie was getting tired and wanted to play in the sandbox instead. Sam, caught in the middle, didn't know whose side to take. The playful sunshine seemed to dim slightly as their voices rose in a little argument. Seeing these unhappy faces, Mrs. Owl, the wise old owl who watched over the playground, decided it was time for a lesson in empathy and conflict resolution. She gathered Sam, Ellie, and Ruby under her favorite oak tree, promising them a secret to stronger friendships. Conflicts are like storms, she explained. They may seem bad, but they can help things grow if we learn from them. She introduced them to the magical tool called blueprint reflection. "What's that, Mrs. Owl?" asked Sam, his eyes wide with curiosity. "It's a way to put ourselves in each other's shoes and understand how everyone feels," Mrs. Owl hooted gently. "Let's try it." First, Mrs. Owl asked each of them to express how they felt. "Ruby, why don't you start?" "I wanted to play tag because I was having so much fun running around," Ruby shared, hopping from one foot to the other. Next, she turned to Ellie. "And you, Ellie?" Ellie hesitated before saying, "I felt a bit tired, and the sandbox seemed like a place to relax." "And how did you feel, Sam?" Mrs. Owl asked. "I was confused and didn't want to upset my friends," Sam murmured softly. Mrs. Owl nodded wisely. "Now, let's use blueprint reflection. Imagine how the others feel." "Ruby, imagine being tired after playing." "Ellie, imagine the excitement of playing tag." And "Sam, imagine balancing between the two." The friends took a moment to ponder. Soon, Ellie said with a small smile, "I suppose tag is really fun. How about a short game and then the sandbox?" Ruby giggled. "That sounds good. I'll just need a little break after a couple of rounds." Sam beamed. "I could help Ellie build a sandcastle after we're done with tag." The playful sunshine returned, brighter than before, as they returned to their games, their friendship stronger than ever. And so, Mrs. Owl taught the friends the power of empathy through blueprint reflection. A lesson that would help them resolve any stormy conflict with a heart full of understanding. She reminded them each conflict could be turned into an opportunity to grow closer, and the three friends promised to always listen to one another. From that day forth, Sunnyvale was not only a place of play, but also a place where empathy thrived, growing alongside their big hearts and endless laughter.